Hey all, it's your girl HappieTeach. I am back with um a new request. Someone requested or asked how to add a JavaScript style sheet to their HTML document. So it's pretty easy. Here I am inside of Dreamweaver. And so what I need to do is go ahead and create the sheet that I want to add. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to File, New. So the same process that we do for our CSS. It is a new document and it is going to be JavaScript. See down here, so yours will probably be here. You just go down to where you see JavaScript. Then you'll hit Create. Okay, so then it creates a JavaScript. Then we're going to go ahead and save this out. So File, Save. And we're going to make sure that we're inside of our folder. So there's the National Hawaii Day _LRF. That's the folder I should be in. And inside of here, I want to make another folder. So I'm going to click on New Folder. And I'm just going to name this one JS, just to keep it simple for JavaScript. Hit Create. And then I'll name this one whatever you want to name. So I'll say JS-script. And making sure I'm in that JS folder, which I can see. I'm going to hit Save. Okay, so now I have the JavaScript document in here and I can type in my JavaScript, but I'm going to go ahead and close it the same way we did with the CSS, because now what we want to do is we want to link this JavaScript to this document. So what we're going to do is right here on line 6, that's where our CSS is. We're going to bring it below that because typically JavaScript, you might want it to read first and the browser reads from the bottom up. So we're going to put this on line 7. And all I did was make a space for it. Then I'm going to go up to our insert menu. And then I'm going to go down to HTML. And I'm going to look for script right here. And then once I see it, see that JS script that's right there. It took me directly into our JS folder in the JS script because Dreamweaver knows we're looking for a script file. So I'm going to click there, hit open. And now it is tied to this. I'm going to do a quick Command or Control S to save it. And now you'll see up here that you have the script. Now mine is showing you 2 other scripts, and that's because one of these does not exist. Yeah, so that one doesn't exist. It'll delete itself later. All right, so now what I want to do is make sure I'm in code view, and then I can add whatever JavaScript I want to add. So you don't have to worry about this one. Don't even worry about it. Yeah, don't even worry about it. Okay, but this one is where I would add my JavaScript in, and that's really all you have to do. And there you'll see it in your files panel. You'll see your JavaScript here. So all you have to do is start adding your JavaScript in. Hopefully that helps. That is how you attach your JavaScript sheet to your HTML source code in Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver just makes it super easy. All right, so hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know and I'll create a video. Until later, ta-ta for now. Ta-ta.